I'm going to talk with Steve. Hi, Steve.
Hi, Dr. Block.
What's going on with you?
Oh, I'm just got a quick question for you.
Okay, a quickie.
I'm a very sexual active male.
Good.
And, I'm a little concerned over the past year or so. Found myself really enjoying period sex, where, for instance, this morning I woke up and I had blood all over me, and I was like thinking I was in like a Indian war paint situation here. And
You're a red winger.
I just love that period sex, and I just tell you, it's like, I know there's an old expression: a good captain must always cross the Red Sea. I feel like I'm that captain. I'm just thinking maybe it's getting a little bit out of hand.
Why do you think it's getting out of hand? Let me ask you.
Well,
are you doing it with more than one woman?
Unless the woman is having her period.
Are you doing it with more than one woman?
Oh, no, 2 or 3 at the same time.
All with their period?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, you know, darling, that's not safe sex.
That's not safe sex?
No. No, because blood carries the AIDS virus.
Not at the same time. I'm sorry.
What do you mean not at the same time?
Well, I don't have 3 women all having a period in this.
Well, actually, that sounded at least dramatic enough to be worthwhile.
Right.
But if you're having sex with all these different women who all have their periods,
right,
and even if they're at different times, are you wearing condoms?
Yes.
Oh, you are wearing condoms.
Right.
And you're not going downtown?
Once in a while.
Okay, well, I usually suggest that men go down on women, and that's an important part of foreplay, but not when she has her period unless you're monogamous.
Unless you're monogamous.
Yeah, because,
right,
blood, the vaginal juices do not carry so much disease. I can't say they don't carry it at all,
right,
but blood certainly is a much more likely carrier.
Well, that's why I'm getting a little concerned, because this is quite the turn-on for me, and I know it's probably not the healthiest thing to be doing.
Well, you're right. So, although I certainly believe that you should respect your turn-ons,
right,
I also believe that you should respect your life,
right,
and their lives.
Right.
And, you happen to have a turn-on that is somewhat dangerous, not that dangerous.
Right.
If you could find a woman that, you could be monogamous with, then, hey, for a week out of the month, you'd really be in heaven, huh?
I guess you're right then.
But you don't. I'm not saying you have to be monogamous, or don't get me wrong. I'm not Dr. Laura here.
Right.
But if you're not going to be monogamous, then you have to practice safe sex religiously.
Right.
No pun on Dr. Laura and her religious advice show.
Right.
But anyway, if you're not going to go down on her and you're going to use condoms, then
that's fine then, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
As long as these women want to have sex on their periods, and some women get really turned on by having sex on their periods.
Yeah.
The blood of my affliction with the juice of my affection mingling.
I think there's something, a scent. To me, it's very animalistic. I feel
yes,
like
it is.
Caveman.
I understand you, darling. I know. It is. It's strong smelling woman.
Exactly, the pheromones.
Woman aroma.
Oh,
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, I appreciate
earthy,
all the advice.
very earthy.
Yeah.
So, but keep this in mind, darling. You could be getting very sort of fetishistic about it, and while I want you to enjoy your sexual interest, I also hope that you can treat these women as real human beings and not just as founts of bloody passion. Although to treat them as a fount of bloody passion is kind of exciting every once in a while,
Oh, I just, and what excites me even more is that I guess there are not many men that like that, and they just get turned on the fact that I go for it. And
you've found a niche. It's kind of like niche marketing. Yes, you really have one there.
Well,
because a lot of women do like sex on their periods. It eases the pain.
Something about it. It's nasty.
It's a painkiller,
Right.
Mm-hmm. And I think you are interested in the nastiness and the forbiddenness of it,
yeah,
which is why I want you to just kind of keep an eye on yourself about it. Enjoy it, but
just be careful.
Exactly.
No going downtown.
Everything in moderation. Be an ethical hedonist.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
You take care.
Okay.
Good luck to you.
Bye-bye.
Red Wings.